My name is Jeff Bogert. This is a submission to CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. We are using a program called degrees.py, which will bring in data from either a small data set or a large data set, which will be an argument. And then it is given arguments manually of two actors. So the databases contain a list of actors with IDs, a list of movies with IDs, and another file that shows the relationship between the movies and the actors. And the idea is to go through that data and find the shortest path between two of the actors, which are given as inputs. So as you see in the example, it's already on the screen. Robin Wright was submitted as the first person, and Tom Cruise is the second, and the shortest path function was run, and so it took less than a second. We found 3 degrees of separation. So Robin Wright and Tom Hanks starred in Forrest Gump, Tom Hanks and Kevin Bacon in Apollo 13, and Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise starred in A Few Good Men. Now we're going to run it again, and this time we're going to look at Robin Wright again. But I have to spell it right. And then we're going to give her, instead of Tom Cruise, we're going to give her Tom Hanks. And we should find the same pairing we saw above. So we found immediately that she started with Tom Hanks in Forrest Gump. So there's 1 degree of freedom. Now we're going to shift over to the larger database. And this takes a little longer to load. And we're going to look at, in this case, we have some of the older actors available to us. And I'm going to use Orson Welles. And we'll look at him with Jim Carrey. And this took 2.68 seconds, and we found that Orson Welles and Catherine Ross starred in Get to Know Your Rabbit. Catherine Ross and Tommy Lee Jones starred in The Betsy. Tommy Lee Jones and Jim Carrey starred in Batman Forever. We're going to let that run again, and this time we're going to look at Orson Welles and Clint Eastwood. And that'll be it. And you see that there's 1 degree of freedom. They both were in a movie which was directed by John Ford, and actually he was in the movie as well. So that's the end of this video.